Hey guys, this is me Pranay. So today we have this Redmi 12 Pro Plus. So let's get started. So let's start with this unboxing. So inside the box we have cardboard container at the top, and at the second top we have got the handset itself. So let me just take out this handset. So now apart from handset we have got a power adapter and a USB Type C charging cable. So now let's look at the handset. So let me just power this on, and you can see Realme logo, and we have got this beautiful cameras at the back, and design is really good, guys, and it is looking very premium, and we have got a triple rail setup at the back, which is 58 and 64, and this is vegan leather design. Now let me just go to the settings and show you the about phone. No. So here we go, and now let me just take some sample photos for you. So we have got a 6x hybrid zoom on this, and picture is as expected really awesome, guys. It is very clear, guys, as you can see. So guys, I will make a full review video of this device very soon, so please subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Again, design is awesome, guys. Thank you.